Hi everyone, my name is Wei Jie and today we'll be looking at CS50 Web's Project 3 Mail. This web app functions as an email service allowing me to read messages that other users have sent to me, as well as write emails to other users as well. Now let's begin by sending a new email. I simply click the Compose button and I'll be taken to the view where I can send an email. Now if I leave the recipient's field blank and click Submit, I'll be given an error message saying that at least one recipient is required. Additionally, if I key an invalid email address and click Submit, I'll also be given an error message. Now let's try sending a message to a valid email address. And now, when I click the Submit button, if the email address I've inputted here is valid, the email will be sent successfully and I'll be taken to my sent mailbox. Now, let's view the email I've just sent in the recipient's inbox. So let's log out. And now I'll be taken to the recipient's inbox where you can see that the message I've just sent has been added to the inbox as well. Additionally, you can see that in the inbox, for emails that have already been read, the background color will be gray, and for emails that have not been read, the background color is white. Now to view the content of an email, I can simply click on it, and I'll be taken to all the information pertaining to that particular email. Additionally, there are buttons for us to reply to and archive an email as well. So now that we have clicked on the email, this particular email will be now marked as read. So now when I go back to my inbox, you can see that the email's background color has now changed to gray. Now next, let's try to archive this particular email. To archive an email, I can simply click the archive button and I'll be taken back to the inbox where I can see that the message has now disappeared. Now if I go to the archive page, you can see that this email which I just archived has been added to this mailbox. So now when I click on it, the button will say unarchive instead. So to unarchive the email, I can simply click the unarchive button and we will be taken back to the inbox where you can see that the message has now been added back to the inbox. The next feature is the reply feature. So now we can also click on the reply button here and we'll be taken back to the compose field where the information about the original email has been added. So now we can add a message and click submit, and now you can see that the message has been sent. Now let's go back to the original user's inbox to see this message. So now let's log in, and now you can see that the message is now added to the mailbox. So now when I click on it, I can see all the content, and once again I can also reply to this message. So if I click reply, once again all the content will be preloaded. So I can say, and now when I click submit, the email has once again been sent successfully. So that was all for mail, and this was CS50 Web.